Hi everyone, this is Pavitra from My Data Insights Private Limited. Are you still using spreadsheets for executive reporting? What if you could get real-time insights on revenue, growth, and operational KPIs all in a single Power BI dashboard? In this video, I will show you how to build a CXO dashboard in just 10 minutes using Power BI. By the end, you will have a fully automated report that updates in real time, no manual work needed. Stick around till the end. I have got a free Power BI template that will save you hours of setup. Hit like and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn. Click on My Data Insights Private Limited and get more resources and inputs and insights from us. CXOs rely on critical data, revenue, expenses, churn, customer growth, and operational KPIs. But outdated manual reporting leads to poor decision making. With Power BI, we can monitor financial performance with automated reports, track sales and customer growth in real time, analyze operational efficiency with our manual spreadsheets, make investor reporting effortless with auto-updated dashboards. Now, let's see step by step how we can build our own dashboard. Let's import our CXO dataset into Power BI, where it has revenue, profit margin, expenses, customer growth, etc. To import our own data set, click on Get Data, click on Move. This will give a lot of different data sources to connect with Power BI. Here Excel, SharePoint folder, Azure SQL database, data flows, multiple things which we have, which will help us to build our own data, create the relationship between the tables, and create reports on top of it. Clicking on Connect will help us to bring the data in and start with it. Now, let's have a quick look at our data set. What are the KPIs, important key points which I have to build CXO dashboard? Revenue, profit margin percentage, cash burn rate, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, monthly recurring revenue, annual recurring revenue, churn rate, lead conversion rate, employee count, employee attrition rate, hiring rate, support tickets resolved, what is my growth rate, valuation, compliance score, department-wise expenses, net profit on the same, compliance score, everything I have. Now, let's have a quick look on each page, which will give an overview on the KPIs, insights, what we can build through our data. Let's have a quick look on the executive summary, which is a CXO overview, will give total revenue, net profit, expenses, net profit margin, revenue over time, expenses breakdown, how it split it, the valuation trend, and a quarterly growth rate by month. This will give the insights based on the date range which we are selecting. The entire dashboard will change accordingly. Now, if we have a look at CEO and CFO view, which is basically a financial performance, it gives total revenue, expenses, cash burn rate, CAC, MRR, ARR, revenue versus expenses, how it's changing over time, MRR changing over time, ARR versus revenue. All these key insights will help us to take up financial decisions. Now, let's have a quick look on the sales and growth metrics, which is very important for CMO and CRO view. Lead conversion rate, churn rate, monthly active users, DAU versus MAU, and lead conversion rate by months. What is my churn rate trend, MRR trend? These are the key important KPIs which is given in sales and growth metrics. When we talk about the operations and HR, we included total employees, attrition rate, hiring rate, how the employee growth over months, employee productivity table, support tickets resolved, system uptime percentage, how much tickets are resolved, attrition versus hiring rate, all this included in the operational and HR insights. When we talk about the investor and compliance reporting, we have evaluation, funding runaway, compliance score, quarterly growth rate, what is my funding runaway and versus expenses, what is my valuation trend line, quarterly growth rate over months, and compliance by department. These are the important KPIs and insights which is provided by My Data Insights Private Limited Power BI template will help to bring the insights within minutes by connecting your own data. Now, we want to collaborate the same with the within the organization level and also at the customer level, right? How we can do that? Clicking on the publish option in the from the Power BI desktop will help us to publish the same report in my Power BI app service. Through Power BI app service, I will show you how you can share the same report to the customers and also within the organization. Click on the save changes once the changes are saved, and this will give the list of workspaces which is already created in the Power BI app service. And now I'm selecting the testing workspace to show you as a demo, and selecting on it will publish the report in the respective workspace. Now, let's have a quick look on how the workspace looks and how I can check the report on the same. See, now it's published and I can see the same report in the workspace. In the workspace, you can have a report which is the same as my desktop, where I have all the options to view all my pages. And here is the option to share the report within my organization. Just give them a mail address and message as an option one, and you can send the report within the organization. And you can create the group as well. And now we can have see one more thing. I want to frequently update the data which is already given. So how I can do that? I have options and settings where I need to set up the gateway, and I have the option for refresh where I can set up the different time zone settings where I can set up the timing frequency as daily, monthly, and weekly. Whatever I want, I can choose it and I can publish the report on the same. Stay tuned and stay connected with My Data Insights Private Limited. On the go with your own data, you can create a CXO dashboard in 10 minutes. Thank you, everyone.